fool. Hey guys, we're over here at Crash Style event. We got Chaval right here. Yeah. So we're over here at Horse Thief. This is my first time here. Andrew's driven here, I'm sure, numerous times.
Yeah, plenty of times.
Yeah. It's scary for me, but probably chill for him. How does it feel with the S15, dude? Like, I mean, this is your first time driving this car here? Or have you been able to take it to ABS?
Yeah, this is the first event with the car here in the States. Drove it in Japan at Suzuka Motorland back in like November. So yeah.
Did you guys have any clips of that?
We got some, yeah.
Clips?
Now.
Awesome. And then, so how was it here?
Honestly, it feels good. I had Shane over at Stack dial in the suspension, B-knuckles, 60 mil spacer, you know, all the Japanese sauce on it. And yeah, dude, car feels good. I'm on Vittor tires.
Yeah.
We got some new GMR wheels. Shout out to Phil for getting me some nice wheels for this thing. It's making about like 280 horsepower right now. So
nice.
Nothing crazy, but.
And you said you just took it to Rival, right?
Yeah, Unrivaled Tuning, Danny dialed in the boost on it, so it's not 20 pounds anymore. We're at like about 15 and a half, 16, so.
Well, right on, man.
Yeah.
How does it feel to finally have like, has this been a dream car?
Dude, yeah. Ever since I got into 240s in like high school, and my buddy had one, and I like started looking up. First thing I did, Google search 240 SX. It's like, what the hell is this, dude? And I looked them up. I'm like, oh, dude, these things are sick, you know? Like, especially you see all the like styled ones in Japan.
Oh my gosh,
good kit, liveries, and then I'm like, oh,
this is the dream right now. I think everybody's like, just loves this damn car.
Now that they're legal, you're seeing a lot of them pop up now in the States, which is super cool.
Yeah.
You know?
And guys like you are actually using them. James, man.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm from the Terra Drift.
Oh, cool.
Terra Drift. So I'm James, but I don't know who I was messaging, but thank you guys for having us out here.
No worries, man.
Some crashes, I'm sure, little spin outs here and there.
It's a crash style event. It's going to happen.
Appreciate
thank
you
you
guys
for coming out. We really
Absolutely.
appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks, man. So, no. So this is the same thing with the big Terra Crew page. Like, everybody thinks they're talking to me. And then it's always like a bunch of other people.
Yeah.
So usually sometimes we're like, who the hell am I talking to? So I feel you, dude. That's cool. Yeah. It's like, what's the next event?
I think we're gonna. I don't know. I can't say.
Can't say just yet.
No, not like that. But like,
Okay.
I just don't know.
Okay.
But I know we like doing Grange. We like here. We like Medford. We like things to be a little bit sketchy.
That's the course director right there. He's behind the camera. You can't see him, but he's pretty.
Yeah.
He's kind of a dick with setting up the course for people.
Yeah. No, that's that. We want
Taco?
What's up?
Yeah, Taco.
Yeah.
Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, we're talking about Taco trying to make this the
Kinda
course as
dig,
sketchy as
dude.
possible.
I know he's like, oh, sure, hope you guys don't watch your cars today. Targa makes the best courses.
Yeah.
They're the most authentic and genuine.
Yeah, hell
Hi,
yeah.
bud.
What's up, man? I miss you.
Nice to see you.
I've seen all the Japan videos.
I go find my wheels.
What a dream. So Dylan is a friend, a great friend. Dylan actually helped me get this car. He said, get that one, get that one.
Do you like it still?
I love it.
Okay, cool.
I love it. Everything about it. John makes me drive it on low boost.
Good.
So,
Learn how to drive it like that.
It's hard.
I know. But then guess what? When you go like this one day and you go click and you're like, oh, it's a fucking breeze.
And then he took out my handbrake.
Good.
Him and Martin.
Good.
Oh yeah, no, sorry. See, I still don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
took out my hydro, but I have my handbrake and
good.
Yeah.
Honestly, like the more routes that you can make this car and learn that way,
yeah.
the more tools you can add to your tool belt, and
yeah.
then one day you just like up the boost, put the handbrake back in.
Yeah, yeah.
And you're like, how am I so good?
Yeah, I don't know. I think that might be.
Yeah. Yep.
That sounds like a decade from now. That sounds like a decade. But yeah, dude, I've had a great time. Like so Dylan is a really good friend of my buddy Nick Eisenhower, and Nick has a great 240. I'm sure Dylan has been a part of that too, but Dylan like helped me choose this car, and a couple other friends have helped me choose this car too, and it's been cool. I really appreciate you, man. I like the whole drift scene, and everybody's been really wonderful, you know, and I'm just been really excited to be here.
Brother. I'm really happy you got it, and I'm happy you got into it too. And I like the crossover events too, because I feel like the worlds are really similar.
Yeah,
just like truck dudes don't know how to get into drifting, and drifting dudes don't know how to get into trucks.
Right.
So I love that shit, and it's way cheaper. Truck guys, it's way cheaper.
Oh yeah, it's a night and day, man. It really is. But I think, and I'll just end with this. Like I think one of the biggest things is seat time and seat time.
Yeah, learn to drive the car.
You have to.
Learn
and
to
like
drive the car.
I think like you could put somebody in a trophy truck or like a fully built truck and be like, go down those whoops, and they'll be like, okay, yeah. You know what I mean? To a certain extent. Obviously, G-outs, reading the road is all variables. But I would say like you can't just put somebody in like a high performance car and be like, go turn, go enter that.
If there's a lot of grip, fuck no.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like there's so many variations with drifting that you have to know how to drive.
Make the car simple, make the car loose, take everything off of it, start with something like coilovers and knuckles, whatever, and just go from there. And then modify the car as you get better. Right. Unlike this car, but that's why John started taking stuff out of it. And he's like, learn how to drive with momentum, no grip, no hydro, and then when you can catch every flick, every transition, then we'll add a hydro in, then we'll add some grip in, blah, blah, blah. Like when you came down the hill, you're like, that was my first lap, I fucking almost crashed it, I almost fucked up. Guess what? Go do it 40 more fucking times.
Yeah, that's exactly how it feels.
And then all my friends are here, you guys included, so I was like, I can't miss out on it.
Excellent, man.
These events are super sick, because you're like, I just get to be around great people.
Yeah.
So like the Crash Style event specifically too, it's like you know who's coming and you know amazing people are coming.
So many good drivers.
I would just come just to hang out. Even if my car wasn't done, I was still going to drive just to be with everyone.
Watching like the recaps of the old videos, I'm just like, man, I don't even want to get on the track, but everybody's so cool, they're just like, go.
You have to, because like they also know that it's like, even if you're not the best driver, you're here to drive and you're competent enough to like know your placement on track and have heads up and stuff like that.
Right.
And so even if you're learning, like it's a great place to be. So.
Well, thank you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, are we doing this? What are we doing? What are we doing here?
Hell yeah. Dude.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hold on, like this. Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
Proud of you.
I'm grateful. It's hot. Look at all these cars. Freaking heck. You see that? The sticker says freaking heck. Jesse. I know. So Jesse tough. Good stuff. Thanks for always coming out and doing these things, man. It's really special. We like I don't think you realize how much the community relies on you guys.
Hey,
Like seriously, dude.
If it wasn't shot, it didn't happen, you know?
For real. What's up, man? James. Nice to meet you, finally, dude. Oh, is this? Yeah. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, you do? Oh, it's okay. This is like my first time doing this too. Yeah.
Wait, I have a swing, actually.
With dinosaurs on it?
Flamethrower, dinosaurs, squirrel machine guns.
I love it. Squirrel machine gun. You guys get a shot. Jackson, nice to finally meet you, man. Thank you for letting us come out here and film you guys do stuff. And you guys drive really aggressive, and it's really cool.
It's good time.
And I'll tell you, this is my first time driving here. I'm a super noob, man. I'm like super amateur, and it's really scary. And it's crazy to see you guys like carry so much speed and just like link scary stuff.
It's freaky stuff.
I'm just not there, dude. I only have 4 laps here.
Yeah, so the whole gang's pretty much boosted now, at least the guys that are that kind of enter the comps.
That's what's
and then
up.
it's like a whole kind of gang of us. It's not really like a team necessarily.
No, but that's
yeah.
I think that's where it's at.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel like having like a community group is
Yeah,
better than having like a team.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah.
That's kind of how I feel like the off-road side of Terra Crew is.
Uh-huh.
Like it's more like
Yeah.
like you just kind of kick it with the gang. You know
Yeah,
what
no
I mean?
exclusivity.
Yeah, just like hey, we're all together. We're all here for one reason.
It's
to
like
rip
big
it.
crew. It's a good time, man. Yeah, and then that's kind of so these guys kind of grew up driving at Sonoma and then up in the Bay Area, and then kind of just getting used to the community around there, and then ever since that, kind of it's just like been the guys that I've been following on Instagram, and then we started the page, and then kind of just hit them up, and then like we always try and have friends of friends come to the event, so there's no strangers and everyone knows each other, and then at the end of the day, everyone's like, this is one of the best events just because everyone here is friends of friends. Like even if track shuts down, you know, like hanging out in the pits is so good.
Yeah, it's the community aspect.
Yeah, that's
the
when I
community
realized
is very
that,
important.
Like the one thing you can control is who shows up when you can't control like things that are gonna happen at the drift event, and I never realized how
much that impacts.
It made. Yeah, yeah. And then so it's kind of like surreal walking around like at the end of the day, the sun's setting, like you see everyone just hanging out.
All these cars that you're a fan of, and like all these drivers you're a fan of in a way,
crazy,
right?
Like the guys that we've been able to have come out. Like these guys drive crazy, and I'm kind of just making the spreadsheets.
You're just like, okay, here we go. Yeah, you're on the list. I feel like with the off-road side of Terra Crew, it's very much like that. We kind of like have to vet because, and not in a bad way, but there's a lot of people that want to be a part of it, but at the same time, there's a capacity, right? Like you want to give everybody a chance, but it's cool, dude. I think I missed the Apple Valley one. Yeah. Super bummed I did. Yeah. But I was so bummed, dude. Trust me.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait.
We'll recollect next time and do this. It's this is Lucas.
Oh, what's up, Lucas?
He's one of the Turbo guys.
Hey, Turbo guy. Right on. Is everybody chilling right now, or what's going on?
Track goes hot at 12:35.
12:35. Okay.
Yeah.
For some.
The track just needs like a mandatory break.
Okay.
An hour yesterday, half an hour today, and we did 11. Wait, 12. Wait. 11, 35, 12. What? Oh man.
It's okay.
I'm getting nervous.
Well, check it out. Well, which car is yours?
This one right here.
This one. So this is yours.
Yeah. I streeted it down here.
You streeted it down here?
Ty streeted his turbo car down here too.
No way.
We all used to street, and then Drew just recently got a truck and trailer. But if you travel with a group of 10 E36 guys and something breaks, you can usually make it home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
What's freaking heck?
That's actually mine and my buddy's first like drift event that we threw like when we were like 22 or something. Like
I love that.
No plan at all. Like he sold his car a while ago. So
if we ever do an event with you guys, would it be okay to call it freaking heck?
Dude, that'd be awesome to bring it back. Yeah.
I think that's you know why I have a 3-year-old little boy, and all he does is say freaking heck all the time because he hears us cuss all the time, dude. Well, thank you, man. Thank you for making you feel super awkward. Appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Freaking heck. Hopefully it will be the Terra Crew crossover event. Wow. Thank you guys. So,
Thank you for coming.
Crash Style boys, enjoy the clips. Is that okay? Hey guys. Hey guys. It's hot and Andy's tires is here. Well, enjoy the goods. New tires. New tire service. Let's talk to Andy real quick. Andy, can I talk to you real quick? So Andy's over here working. I heard he had like massive stacks of tires yesterday. You guys had a lot of tire changes yesterday.
Yeah.
A lot.
A few. Yeah.
A few.
A few.
I heard the line went like over there. Andy is an OG, absolute amazing dude. Him and his son run an amazing shop in Pomona, Andy's Tires. Enjoy the Goods is their new mobile service. And they're the best, and they've helped hold this scene together. They're always here for all these events, all these grassroots events. And the coolest thing is they both drive. They both drive, and they both have awesome cars. And they always have like the baddest stuff. So they got some tires, all these tires stacked over here. And you guys are the best. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you for everything, man.
We'll later, so thank you.
We'll see you guys.
Yeah.
So I gotta let Andy get back to work because he needs to put my tires on. So yeah.
We gotta go.
Always multitasking, dude. Setting up vendors right now for speed metal. Felix, you guys were at 300 Paradise. Yeah. Yeah, absolute amazing food. Everybody was super stoked. You guys crushed it, dude. You crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. Such good food. All right, essays and Vato Locos, we want to let you know that Andrew's shirt is dropping.
Serio, homie.
It's ready to go. Check it out. We're going to put a link right here, and you guys can check it out. It's going to be super hard for Firme.
Firme, homie.
Let's go.
A huevo.
Sock check, Vato. Ha ha.